What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today we are taking a look at the Barbie coffee shop. We found this at Target for $29.99. It has over 20 pieces and a doll is included. On the side of the box, there is an illustration at the bottom, and at the top, there is a list of all of the accessories included. On the back of the box, you can see the entire playset and the doll. On the side, there are picture instructions on how the playset works. On the side of the box, it says, coffee shop owners are responsible for the day-to-day operations of a coffee shop. They manage a team of baristas and servers while anticipating the needs of their customers. Do you like to serve up fun and frothy drinks? You can be a coffee shop owner. Wow, Barbie has over 200 careers. Talk about ambition. Let's get this playset out of the box for a closer look. Oh man, I was really hoping to use this background, but this plastic molded thing here is glued on. Well, there goes that. Out of the box, this playset is a little under 12 inches tall and it's about 11 inches wide. It's made of plastic and paperboard. Let's get a full 360 view here so you can see all the angles. The back is not finished. However, there is some shelving. I don't think it was meant to be shelving, but we could totally use it as shelving in the back. Little hidden storage. And we are back to the front. At the bottom of the playset, there is a paperboard image. It looks like a wood grain, and then at the very bottom, it says Barbie. There are pictures of snacks, some mugs. I think that might be some kind of tea. This pink bar across the top is included in the picture. It is surrounded by a white plastic frame. On the side, there is a black plastic shelving unit with stickers to look like it is fully stocked with juice and water. There are 4 little pegs right in the front to hold Barbie accessories to display some tangible items. Right underneath, there is a picture to look like food items. There is no storage here. And underneath, we have another sticker showing some more cafe items. That's a really cute coffee pot. On the top, there is a small pink counter on the side that can hold a drink or two. Probably not a good idea to push on this too much. I would use one hand to support while putting an object in place. Right next to the small counter, there is a machine to make coffee, smoothies, tea, whatever you want. It's pretty wide, has a little lever right here on the side, a little dial. The top can be raised where we can fill it with a little drink stuff, like whatever it is that's going in the cup. There's a green one, and we can just move the little dial. Or not, because I seem to have just locked it in place. We have brown, green, and pink. Use them to load the machine. The dial on the side turns so you can select the flavor or color that you want. They do move around a little bit in there, and it seems like every time it comes to this position, the dial gets a little stuck, but it's not terrible. It's just not smooth. Let's close the top. We can place the clear plastic cups on top. We have 3 of those. And they have lids with little straws included. The plastic for the lids is a slightly different color than the cup. I'm not sure if the camera is picking this up, but the lid has kind of a yellowish hue. It does fit on top, which is cool. Oh, I think you can see the yellowing a little now. The top has a little, the top has a little give to it, whereas the cup doesn't. So they're made of a different material, and that could be the reason for the color difference. On the other side, there is a small holder for the lids. We can store them right here, and we can store the extra cups right here. There's a small cash register. The image on the front is a little pixelated. Let's place the cash register over here, because that is the largest little base peg thing for it to fit on. There's a jug of milk. I'm assuming it's white. There is no label on it, so we can just pretend that is almond milk right there. Chocolate syrup. We're gonna place it next to the milk. A large pink cup with the Barbie logo on the front. Perfect for cappuccinos. Right next to the counter, there is a food display case. It comes with some paperboard images. Let's just remove those. So we have a place to display the included cupcake on a plate. Let's put that right here. We have a pink plate with brown cookies. I'm gonna put those under the cupcake. Here's a teal colored base with pink cake pops. Let's put those next to the cookies. There we go, they just fit. Here's a little energy bar that we can display on the top shelf, but it does lay flat, so I'm putting a little poster putty behind it to prop it up. We have two little cups with lids, one orange, one pink. I'm assuming it's yogurt, however it can be whatever you want because there are no labels. Let's place those right here. Giant human hands. There we go. Then a clear water bottle right next to it and a teal colored one. Last but not least, it comes with a to-go coffee cup. This doesn't have any labels on it. It's all white. But what's really cool is that the top can come off. I love little details like that. Above the display, there is a teal colored sign that says Barbie. Then right above it, there's a coffee shop sign and a menu. Let's see, what would I like to order? Well, there's cappuccino. You can get it in vanilla or mocha, or you can get a frap in vanilla or mocha. You know what? I'm just gonna order off the secret menu. Excuse me, can I get a green tea frap, please? Oh, and make sure it's dairy-free, please, because Milk and I don't get along. The included Barbie has the curvy body type. She has blue eyes, blonde hair. Her hair is styled in a high bun. She wears a dress with a printed apron. The dress is a short sleeve black and white stripe with a pink apron printed on the front. You can see the coffee logo right in the center. There are faux pockets at the bottom, and the apron is almost the same length as the dress. The back continues with the black and white stripe, and it velcros. And she finishes her look with a pair of black shoes. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. Excuse me, what about my order? Okay, let's see if we can work this machine. Let's take the cup. There we go. Place it underneath. Yeah, this is almost got it. It's kind of a tight squeeze with, giant human hands here. Let's turn the top dial to what I'm gonna say is green tea. There we go. And I assume we pull this little lever forward, and it worked! Oh my goodness! It was like, wow, okay, yeah, it works. I'm like so easily impressed, it's not funny. Remove the drink from the bottom of the machine. Let's move this cup so we can place our drink right there. Then grab a lid and put the lid on top. Green tea frap for Toya. Okay, I think this is definitely adorable. Let's jump right into the pros and cons. I like the color of this playset. The white, the brown, the black with small touches of pink. The photos are very realistic with a little added 3D element. However, I do wish they had used the super clear water bottles like this one from another Barbie playset. To me, this just looks a little more realistic. Some kind of label on these small colored cups would have been nice. I like the different shelves in the display case. However, I would have preferred a more clear plastic. The menu is adorable. So well done. I love this little all-purpose cafe machine. The sticker adds fantastic detail. All of the little places for storage are fun. And this is just the best. The included doll's hair is very neat right out of the box. However, her apron is printed. Personally, I would have liked to have seen 2 separate pieces. That way we could change her outfit or maybe place the apron on a different character with a different body type. This doll has the basic 5 points of articulation. You know, articulation is a big thing with me. Personally, I could have done without the doll and just have the fashion and accessories pinned in the box. Probably could have saved $1 or 2 there, and then we could have just used the outfit on our favorite doll. Overall, I think this is a very fun playset with some cute details. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Barbie Coffee Shop playset. Let us know in the comments down below if this set is a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.